summer wind came blowing from across the sea. Lingered there to touch your hand and walk with me. All summer long we sang a song, and then we strolled that evergreen. Two sweethearts in the summer wind. Like painted kites, those days and nights, they went flying by. The world was new beneath the blue umbrella sky. And softer than the piper man, one day it called to you. I lost you to the summer wind. The autumn wind, the summer wind, they have come and gone. But still the days, those lonely days, they go on and on. Guess who sighs these lullabies through nights that never end? My fickle friend, the summer wind, warm summer wind.
Okay, so